even kind of in the later time of June 9th of 2017 through June 11th of 2017, that was associated with this happening after, this force of alleged sex trafficking, none of that sort, because Cassie would send me alleged sex trafficking.
Yeah, and it's not just the content of forced fraud or coercion, whether it's beyond reasonable doubt, that's up to the jury to decide, but there was evidence to suggest not everything was on the up and up all the time. Now, what about the defense? What did they present when it came to alleged victim Mia, Brianna Bungolan, who Brianna Bungolan says that she was dangled off of the balcony by Sean Combs. Mia says that she had worked for Sean Combs, was sexually assaulted by him. I think Dawn Richard came up as well during the course of the defense's case. What did the defense present regarding these witnesses?
Well, they presented a bunch of stipulations.